Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable live speech on Apple Watch Series 9. So if I don't know this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on settings the icon on the app menu. Once you select settings, scroll down the settings page and then click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page, just keep scrolling down until you get to live speech. On that speech, click on that. Now to enable live speech, turn this on. Then should say triple click on digital crown to show live speech. Just go ahead and click the digital crown 3 times and this is going to show live speech on your Apple Watch. Now to disable live speech, repeat the same thing by disabling live speech. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to enable or disable live speech on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.